Can do LLC? Yes, you can form an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Company. An LLC is a business structure that separates your personal assets from your business. This means if your business faces debts or lawsuits, your home, car, and savings are generally protected. LLCs are popular because they combine liability protection with flexible taxation. By default, profits pass through to the owner's personal tax returns. But an LLC can also choose to be taxed as an S-corporation or C-corporation. They also require less paperwork and fewer formalities compared to corporations. Forming an LLC usually involves filing articles of organization with your state, paying a filing fee, and creating an operating agreement. Once formed, you'll also want to get an EIN, open a business bank account, and handle any required licenses or permits. Zen Business can file your LLC paperwork and guide you through the setup process quickly. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.